design innovation and practical aesthetic. Welcome to Baseus Laboratory. Today let's test Baseus Solar Energy Human Body Induction Wall Lamp. Just hang it on a sunny wall and it's ready to use without wiring. This product is equipped with high conversion solar panels, converting solar energy into electrical energy during the day and providing light at night. Three-sided lighting emitting surfaces customized PIR sensor lens with a sensing distance up to 8 meters and 120 degrees sensing angle. 89 LED beams all light up when people come. The built-in reflector caps effectively reflect the light emitted by the main light source, so as to improve light efficiency utilization and clearly illuminate the way ahead. The three light guides run in a low consumption mode to emit glimmer when people live. This product has IP65 waterproof test, rainproof and anti-thunder.